Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Furqan. Today we are going to discuss mean, median and mode. In maths, we often deal with data sets, and the data sets are the collection of numbers. These numbers might be in a result of surveys, scientific measures and other data collection methods. For example, you might record the ages of each of your family members in a data set, such as 15 years, 20 years, 25 years and 30 years. Or you may measure the weight of each of your pet and list them into a data set like 10 kgs, 15 kgs, 8 kgs or 11 kgs. These numbers are very small and easy to understand, but we could have much bigger data sets. Those data sets might contain a cost of every item in a store, ages of every student in a school, and the average speed of every animal in this world. These numbers are very large and might be difficult to understand, but mean, median and mode make it easier for us. These are three properties of data set. Mean, median and mode give us useful, easy to understand information. So let's learn about each property one by one. So starting with mean. Mean is most commonly known as average. Average is the single number or a value that represents a whole data. Formula to find average is sum of values over number of values. For example, there are numbers. We want to find the average of these numbers. So we will take the help from formula. We are writing formula here. Average is equal to sum of values over number of values. Seven plus 8 plus 6 plus 5 plus 9 plus 7. So how many values are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 values are there. So take the sum of these values. 7 plus 8, 15, 15 plus 6, 21, 21 plus 5, 26, 21 plus 5, 26, 26 plus 9, 35, 35 plus 7, 42. 42 upon 42 upon 6. Now divide 42 by 6. 6 1s are 6 and 6 7s are 42. So the average of these numbers is 7. So dear students, second property is median. Middle number or a midpoint in a data set is called median. So let's learn it with some examples. So in example 1, there are numbers. First step to find median is to arrange the data into a order. So arrange these numbers from smallest to the largest one. So smallest number is 3, then 5 and then 8. So I am arranging it into order 3, 5, 8. So in this data set there are three numbers and the middle number is 5. So median for these numbers is 5. 5 is the answer. Now there is one more question. In this data set we will again arrange the numbers from the smallest to the largest one. So smallest number here we can see is 1, then 3, 5, 6 and then 7, 8 and then 9. 8 and 9. We will count how many numbers are there. There are 7 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the fourth number or the middle number is 6. So the median for this data set is 6. So dear students, we have a third property, that is mode. A number frequently occur in a data set is called mode, or the number that is written many times in a data set is called mode. So here are some examples. In example 1, there are numbers 5, 7, 9, 3, 5 and 5. Here we can see clearly that 7, 9, 3 are one time each. And 5 is 3 times. So the mode for this data set is 5. In example 2, there are numbers 1, 2, 3, 2, 6, 3, 4 and 3. We can see 1 is 1 time, 2 is 2 time and 6 is 1 time, 4 is 1 time, but 3 is 3 times. So the number that is many times than the other numbers is called the mode. So here the mode for this data set is 3. Our answer will be 3. So dear students, we will solve a question. In this question, it is written that a team played 5 matches of basketball. The table shows its score in each match. Find mean, median and mode. In match, the team scores 42, in match 70, in match 3, 59, 4, 62 and 5, 42. Let's do a solution first of all. We know mean is same as average. Mean means average. So formula to find average is sum of values divided by number of values. Take the sum of these values, 42 plus 70 plus 59 plus 62 plus 42. Divided by how many matches are there? The team played 5 matches, so we will write here 5. Now take the sum of these values. So calculating 42, 70, 59, 62 and 42. 2 plus 9, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 2, 15. 5 here, 1 will go up. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 7, 17, 17 plus 6, 17 plus 6, 23, 23 plus 4, 27. Now this is sum of these numbers is 275. 275 divided by 5. Now divide 275 by 5. 5 on the 5. 5 5s are 25 and 2 is remainder. Now again 5 5s are 25. So the average score of this team is 55 in each game. We have calculated mean, now we will calculate median. To calculate median, as we know, we have to arrange these numbers into a sequence. So arrange these numbers into a sequence from the smallest to the largest. So the smallest number here we can see, first of all, writing these numbers as it is: 42, 70, 59, 62 and 42. We can see smallest number here is 42 and 42 is 2 times. So write these numbers, this number 2 times. 42, 42 again, after 42 it is 59, then it is 62 and here is 70. We can count, these are 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the third number will be the median, because it is middle number, and the middle number of any data set is called median. So here where 59 is a median, 59 is a middle number, it will be median for this data set. So median is 59. Now we will calculate mode. Third property is mode. As we know, mode is the number that frequently occur in a data set, or the number that is written many times in a data set. Then the other numbers is called a mode. So here 70 is one time, 59 is one time, 62 is one time, but here we can see 42 is two times. So the mode for this data set will be 42. So we have calculated all these three properties, mean, median and mode. Mean for this data set is 55, or the average score of this team is 55, and the median for this data set is 59, and the mode of this team in all matches is 42. So the mean, median and mode summarize data into a single number. They make our work more easier. And I hope the concept of mean, median and mode are clear to you, and this video will help you in your homework. Keep practicing at home. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.